Welcome. Come inside. Let's take a look at the Clayton Museum's Blacksmith Exhibit. Inside you'll see an assortment of various tools and implements used by blacksmiths in the olden days to make all kinds of objects of usefulness and utility, using various sizes of tongs for large pieces of hot iron, large and small, even the anvils, large and small. The smallest ones of this size are useful, all the way up to 300 pounds. The sound of the ringing hammer was very common in those days. Using a blacksmith's crank forge, you were able to push air underneath the bellows through a pipe into the tuyere, going into the forge itself, either a large crank or a small crank, into the forge body. Using coal, such as found in Nortonville and Summersville nearby, we're able to fire up a small forge of this size. Oh, that's hot. And be able to heat up iron and steel to be able to work it when it's malleable. If you need to drill a hole, you just use this large drill press weighing 100 pounds, belt driven, to be able to drill holes. Going to the glass case, you see all the various kinds of anvil tools and blacksmith tools, which are essentially dies that create impressions in the hot iron, all the way from cutters to shapers, using those tongs that we've seen before to be able to hold the hot iron and not have to use anything else other than steel to hold steel. This is, on a small scale, what is very useful back in the day.